Forklift Accident 1. In a manufacturing plant that uses forklifts as transport tools, workers are chatting casually. In this noisy environment, they fail to notice the forklift's engine noise and its lights. Even more unexpectedly, a forklift fully loaded with goods has its operator's view completely blocked. Yet the operator continues driving forward. This is essentially driving a forklift blind, reaching a peak level of danger. If this worker had realized 1 second later, a serious accident could have happened. This guy is so lucky. Forklift Incident 2. Sometimes forklift accidents aren't caused solely by the operator's violations. Everyone is responsible for their own safety. Look, when this lady turned around to talk, she should have noticed the forklift coming toward her, but she didn't do anything or dodge. As a result, a collision occurred. Again, the problem is the operator continuing to drive forward with a full load obscuring the view. Who do you think carries more blame, the operator or the pedestrian?